Hi, I'm Nico Del Shadow, inside Drive Stick Shift. First, pull this down, you push that in, you pull back, put it forward, and you go vroom vroom!
Yeah, buddy. Alright, let's get out of the car.
Nothing flashy. Hi, I'm Nick Fondra. This is the bad skateboard. That's the type of shit you get somewhere else. That was raw, though.
Alright. Go.
This is a good skateboard.
Yee!
Howdy, y'all.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
How you doing?
Bye.
This is what happens when you use a good board.
That's what I call a trick, ladies and gentlemen. You heard it right here first. A trick. And a bada bing, bada boom. That's how it's done. Really nice.
Just that.
Yeah, I recorded that.
This is what happens when you use a bad skateboard like this one. Oh!
What is this? What is this? Finding Nemo?
This is not quality.
What is this? The Lionel Richie in the
I
wardrobe?
was for quantity, not quality.
That's right. You tell him, Nick. That's what happens when you buy a bad skateboard.
With a good skateboard like this one, you can do all these kind of tricks. You can tray flip, laser flip. You can even do a Christ Air if you want. You got a mega ramp in your backyard or something like that. The thing is, you got a bad skateboard, just plan on sticking to something else and skating. See, now that's a bad skateboard over there.
Hey, take a whack at it, kid. You suck. You suck, man.
I'm Nick Fondra. I got a shitload of good skateboards.
That's how you ride away smooth, folks. He's going home.
Catch you on the flip side.